In the early years of his reign, Shah Jahan capital was at Agra. In the starting of his rule, that where he was his capital, that was in Agra, and the a city were notably nobility had constructed their home on the banks of the river Yamuna, where he constructed his palace or the home that is in the banks of river Yamuna, and these were set in the midst of the formal garden constructed the Chahar Bagh format. How he constructed his home, that is in the middle of a Chahar Bagh garden. In that way he is constructing, and it is a formal garden for Mughal emperor. And Chahar Bagh garden also had a variation that historians describe that the river front garden, and this Agra garden, it is also a river front garden. In this dwelling was not located in the middle of the Chahar Bagh, but it's at its edge close to the bank of the river. The Agra fort, it is touching the ending part of the building as well as garden. It is touching the river, that in the bank of the river, very close to the river bank. Then Shah Jahan adapted the riverfront garden in the layout of the Taj Mahal in the grandest architectural accomplishment of his reign. And he made the Taj Mahal for that we know the story of Taj Mahal, and that also he made like in the riverfront garden. Then here the white marble mausoleum was placed on the terrace by the edge of the river, and the garden was its south. Everything it is made white marble, and otherwise Mughals they was making the buildings with red marbles and edges with white marble, but here Shah Jahan made everything with white marble. And we can see the white marble mausoleum was placed on the terrace by the edge of the river, where the river is ending. It is touching the river bank. In that way he is making. And Shah Jahan developed his architectural form as a means to control the access that nobles had to the river. Means the nobles or the king's family, they can approach the river directly. In that way he is making the architectural style. And in the new city of Shahjahanabad that he constructed in Delhi, it is Imperial Palace commanded the riverfront. Only specially forward nobles like his eldest son Dara Shukok were given access to the river. All others had to construct their home in the city away from the river Yamuna. When he constructed his Shahjahanabad, that is in Delhi, that time to his one of the son, eldest son only getting like that river access building. Others they want to construct, they constructed their building away from the river Yamuna. And here we can see the map of all these things, pictures it is given. First Taj Mahal at Agra completed in 1643. At present it is very nicely maintaining, and it is a very attractive places, and when you are getting chance, go and visit that place. Then a reconstruction from a map of the riverfront garden city Agra, not how the garden placed of the nobles are placed on both banks of Yamuna, and Taj Mahal is on left, and compare the layout of Agra with Shahjahanabad in Delhi, figure 15. First we will see this one, the Yamuna river, and here it is in left side it is Taj Mahal, and right side the Mughal garden, and the nobles can access here, and the Agra fort and other things we can see here. And next one, it is the Shahjahanabad, that is what he constructed in Delhi. Okay, this is Yamuna river, blue color, it is Yamuna river. And 1850 the map of Shahjahanabad were the emperor's residence. The city appeared to the very crowded, but did you notice the many large garden as well? And can you find out the main street and the Jami Masjid? Means we can see the this is the Yamuna river, and this area, this is the means Shahjahanabad, means what we can say, palace and the offices of the king, and this is the main street, and this green color, light green color, it shows the gardens what he made. And other parts we can see the small streets we can see, that is connecting with the other part, and it is very thickly populated, and many other houses also are there. And this is the condition of Shahjahanabad what he made in Delhi. Okay, so we studied about the Mughal, how they was constructing the building, what was their style. In the olden construction we have seen, and they was making very specially garden, tomb and fort. These three things we have seen in this part. Okay, we are moving to next part, that is the region and empire. What is the relation between one region and his empire, we are going to see. Okay, that will continue in next video.